Hey everybody's, I'm Mariah from M&M's Creative Corner and welcome to our channel. So, if you haven't already, hit that notification bell and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a cool video that we do for you. So today we are going to do a DIY video on how to tie-dye shoes using Sharpies, and all we need is all of our supplies. So all you're going to need is, I always wear gloves because then you're just going to get Sharpie on your hands and it looks funny, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So I have my 3 colors of Sharpies I'm going to use. You can use as many as you want. I've decided to use the same colors as my shirt because I want to have matching shoes. So my awesome swirl shirt, I am actually just going to do stripes on these shoes. And then you need your shoes. They're just canvas shoes, and you can get them at any craft store that you have around. And then you also need rubbing alcohol, which 91% is best. It helps blend everything better. A dropper or a paintbrush you can use too. The dropper just kind of does it for you. The paintbrush, you can control how much or where it's blending better. And then I just have this bowl so I can dump some of this out and get it better in the syringe. And then you can have paper towels if you need to. I like to have them just in case there's a mess or anything like that. So we just need to get started. So first, we're gonna start with a blue or whatever color you want. You can do whatever you want. That's the awesome thing about Sharpieing shoes. So I'm just gonna get started and do some stripes. You can, if you feel like you're gonna make a mess on your shoes, use painter's tape to keep the white, or after you're done, you can clean it up with nail polish remover. It'll come right off. So I am trying to match my shirt, and with my shirt it is like turquoise, purple, and green, but you don't want to mix the green and purple, so when you go to put the rubbing alcohol on if you had the green and purple next to each other, it would probably turn brown. So what I did is put blue in between each color. So blue, purple, blue, green, blue, purple, blue, green. That way you will not have any brown muddy color, and it will still look awesome because there's lots of blue in it, lots of purple, lots of green. So to get this, I am just making stripes, but I'm making curved stripes so it looks like the outside of a swirl. I finished coloring my shoes, and I wanted them to match as close as I could get them. I did not color the tongues just because I think they kind of look cool with white sticking out when you lace them up. But just to show you an example, this one has alcohol put on it. This one does not. So this one has the Sharpie on it. This one just has, this one has the Sharpie on it, no rubbing alcohol. This one has the Sharpie and the rubbing alcohol. So you can see that this one is very well blended. And it kind of matches my shirt. Looks pretty cool. And this one just has very sketchy Sharpie marker marks on it. So, you're going to want, I'm going to show you how to do the rubbing alcohol part. You're going to want to make sure it's 91% isopropyl alcohol. I tried using the 70 at one time and it did not blend at all. It actually looks like normal. It looks like you just put Sharpie on a shoe and tried to blend it, but it didn't blend. So I'm going to dump this in a small bowl because it's easier to suck up with the syringe, or you can use a paintbrush. Easy peasy. So here we go with the rubbing alcohol. You're going to see how awesome and quick it blends. So we'll just start up front. And even if it splatters a little bit, it's no big deal. But if you just make sure you get every part of the shoe that you want to get, everything colored, it's going to blend really good. So it's pretty quick and easy, and then all you're going to have to do is touch up on your soles with nail polish remover if you didn't use the painter's tape, and then let them sit for overnight, and then they'll be ready to lace up and wear. So it's pretty quick and easy after you do this. You can tell that I got some parts on I got some marker on the soles here. You can just touch that up with nail polish remover, and I should have worn gloves the second half because now my fingers are all Sharpie. And I do have some spots on this one I have to touch up too. But if you use the painter's tape, you don't have to worry about that. You take the painter's tape off and let it sit overnight. If not, touch it up with nail polish remover and let that sit overnight, and then they'll be ready to lace up and wear. Alright you guys, so this is the finished product. They have sat overnight and dried. They have blended very well. And now they're ready to put with an outfit. Alright, so like I said earlier, I was doing these shoes to match my shirt that I was wearing earlier in the video. And I decided today that instead of wearing that, I'm going to show you the pop of color with this outfit. So you can do this with any neutral outfit and just add a pop of color and it looks awesome. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, if you want to see me do anything different, a different style shoe, a different tie-dye shirt, make sure you comment below. I always read my comments. Thank you.